In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Shopify error that says orders can't be shipped to your location. This usually happens when shipping zones or rates are not set correctly. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the bottom left corner, click on Settings. Next, select Markets. Inside the Market section, click on International or the market you want to manage. Make sure the market is active. If it shows inactive, click Activate. After that, click Save to apply the changes. Now, go back to the Settings menu and click on Shipping and Delivery. Here, you'll need to check your shipping profiles and shipping zones. Click on Manage Rates or Create New Profile if you need a separate shipping setup. Next, click Add Shipping Zone. Select the countries or regions you want to ship to. After choosing the locations, enter a name for the shipping zone and click Done. Now click Add Rate. You can create a free shipping option or set a custom shipping price depending on your business needs. Enter the shipping details, then click Done. Finally, click Save to apply all changes. Your Shopify store should now allow customers from those selected locations to complete their orders without shipping errors. Thanks for watching and happy selling!